How to turn off the transparent header on your Shopify store BeYours theme. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to turn off the transparent header feature using the BeYours theme on Shopify. Before turn off the transparent header. After turn off the transparent header. Let's get started. A transparent header looks great over image banners or slideshows, but may cause issues if your homepage layout doesn't include these elements. To turn off the transparent header, follow these simple steps. From your Shopify admin dashboard, go to Online Store and select Themes. Choose the BeYours theme and click on the Customize button. On the left-hand menu of the homepage, click on the Header section. In the Header section configuration panel, scroll down to the transparent header settings. You will see two options, Enable on Homepage and Enable on Collection Pages. Untick one or both of these options to turn off the transparent header. Finally, click Save to confirm your settings. Now, a solid background appears beneath the menu, ensuring a better display without any overlapping content. And that's it! You've successfully turned off the transparent header feature your Shopify store with the BeYours theme. Scan the QR code to get support within 8 hours via Rortham's WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.